Okay, so we have a Casio financial consultant, the FC-100V. I'm going to be unboxing this. Bit of a damaged box, unfortunately, but get right into it, see what it's like. I've not opened this on it for about 3 months now, I think. But we'll just go ahead and see what it's saying, really. Okie doke. Wow. This is a very nice calculator. Brand new. It's actually never been used, never been out of the box. Wow, that's really, really, really nice. Yeah, so this is the manual as well we've got with it. Let's have a look. Just a quick look. Wow. That is incredible. Got these handy leaflets as well. So it looks like we've got a couple of them here, detailing the functions, etc. Very nice. Very nice. And of course the main event. Probably be doing a review on this in the future because I've not really had a chance to use it yet or investigate the functions, but as you can see on here, we can do cash flow, simple interest. It's not that useful, but amortization, it's interesting. Lots of different interesting functions. I'm not quite that well versed yet, but hopefully a bit of fiddling around we can see what this can do, because this is a very, very nice calculator. I'm impressed. Never actually used one of these before, so yeah, definitely make another video reviewing it in the future.